Hi, Namaskar. Welcome to Shri Mahavira Sanitation. Here we make shower channel drains for you, which are very pleasing and gives a rich look to your bathroom. Today we will see how we make it and what is the process of making these beautiful drains. Come on.
Process of making premium quality shower drain starts from selecting the high quality raw material. Here we use certified 304 grade stainless steel. Here we're placing a sheet at the fully automated laser cutting machine. The machine will first scan the sheet to gauge thickness, positioning, and alignment of sheet. After this, the machine operator selects and loads the predefined program, size and design to start the cutting. Predefined processes ensure that our customers get consistent quality each time they order. After cutting, operator collects the cutted pieces of top and bottom of the drain and hands over at CNC bending station. To achieve the highest precision, we at Shri Mahavira Sanitation perform all bending operation using fully computerized CNC bending machine. The machining journey of top part ends after bending process. However, bottom/base will go through several more processes. Now bottom/base will be transferred to laser welding station to make it leak-proof. We use laser welding instead of general welding to ensure the joints are flawless and never loose open. If it's a tile dryer, then L support also welded, else base goes for step-down process. Here a step is pressed to make a proper fitment space for cockroach trap. Here the laminated poly will be removed and drains are cleaned properly. Now finally, the finished product is inspected and sent for brand laser marking. Then each piece is again cleaned and packed in boxes and then in catch room, and it's ready to dispatch to our distributors.